As you can see, my carbon steel pan is looking disgusting. The seasoning is uneven and bare in some spots, and some spots are even starting to flake off. To re-season the pan, I'm going to start by using some Barkeeper's Friend and some steel wool to remove the old seasoning and try to get back to bare metal. After a minute of some elbow grease, I decided I ain't get time for that shit, and I whipped out the drill with a steel brush attachment. I didn't get 100% of the old seasoning off, but I thought if some of the seasoning stayed on there after all that brushing, then it deserves to stay on there. This optional step here is using high heat to blue the pan, which gives it a good layer of rust resistance and a good foundation for the seasoning. I also think it just looks cool. While the pan is still pretty hot, I use a paper towel to add a few thin layers of oil, one at a time. I recommend using canola or grapeseed oil because it actually does matter what type of oil you use to season your pans, especially the base layer. I'm not going to get into it, but you want to use oil with a high temperature smoking point. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe if you found it useful or entertaining. And thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.